how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed easily and fast in 2022 or 2023 easily. So all what you have to do, guys, is open Instagram app like this. Now if you have the problem of the refresh feed, then go to the settings, and after you go to the settings, now all what you have to do here is go to the apps, and right here go to apps here in the top, scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, then all what you have to do is go to the storage and make sure to clear data and clear cache, then go back and go to the permissions and make sure to enable the storage permissions exactly. Then go back, click on force stop and reopen Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.